When do you go material specific when you're looking at end mills? What are the criteria? What even makes sense? Do you just automatically go to material specific, or do you start with general purpose and then go there when it's needed? Well, the answer is going to be it depends. Like much I find in advising and manufacturing, it really does depend. If you ever work with anyone and they say, hey, this is the only way, run fast, run far. What kind of things do you need to weigh? Well, one, it's going to depend on the material. There are quite a few materials that machine well enough with your general purpose tools. There are some materials you absolutely can't do whatsoever without the right tools. And then there's other materials where it's just kind of nice to have the material specific. It could reduce post-processing or other things. It depends what material you're cutting. A lot of the standard job shop materials, you can get by with general tooling. An all-purpose TICN coded tool will do you okay. You'll get about 60, 70% maybe efficiency to kind of, again, it's going to depend on that material. If you're working in the extremely hard materials, you're throwing on some Nitronic 50, or depending on the grade of titanium that you're running, or Inconel 718, anything like that, you're going to want to go material specific off the hop. Do you absolutely have to? No, but you better be prepared to sink 3 days worth of labor into it instead of a few hours. All about that balancing game. Type of material, quantity, frequency, always checking out those numbers. So having someone in your network that you can trust to look and help you break down those costs is always a benefit. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.